Hi, Jeff from the Floor Guys here. After your countertops are sealed, hopefully you sealed them with CLEANs, you're going to want to use Shine-eez. It's a daily maintenance cleaner and polish in one. To just clean them, just lightly mist. Take a cloth. We really like microfiber cloths. That's why it comes free with our 2-bottle kit, because it just seems to do a lot nicer job than a cotton cloth, but you can use whatever you have. And wipe it down. Pretty simple stuff, easy as that. Now let's say your stone, it won't break down the sealer either. It's a neutral pH cleaner, very mild, but strong enough to clean. Now let's say your countertops have lost its shine. After you've done cleaning, you want to get the gunk off of there, another light mist, rub it in, and just give it a little extra polish. And it will make these countertops pop like never before. It's pretty simple, easy as that. You can use these right away. It's unlike a sealer where you got to wait an hour before you use it. This stuff, no problem. Use it instantly and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.